Okay guys, we're back to the Allis project. We have got new water pump installed. We have a mock-up of our ignition wires. I didn't show the boots on because we're going to pull this off before paint. We got a new radiator. We're going to install that. We have new radiator hoses. We have our water pipe primed. Check, clean, all that. We got the tractor running. It does not run the best. It's been sitting roughly 30 years, according to the owner. His dad bought this tractor new. He's, said it ran great and all that before that. We're having a little bit of issues, but this is a pretty nice overall tractor. It doesn't show huge amounts of wear. The clutch pedal, look how tight that is. It's amazing. Toolbox door, it still latches like it's supposed to. The fenders are not rusted out on the, inside, nothing. This is a nice tractor to restore. The previous video shows the first run of it. It was started up, basically cleaned the carburetor, did a kit on it, it started up. Ran pretty good. We have a lot of water in the fuel system. I need to get the tank off of it, get it clean. Pretty sure that's our problem. We shall see. It'll run great 1 second, next minute run like crap. Unfortunately, that's a battle we got to fight. We're doing these kind of restorations. You want to do as little much, but the most at the same time. So we want to get the tractor running, make sure that our mechanical side is 100% before going into paint or any kind of restoration. We want to get all of our mechanical issues straight. Customer has decided to go 6 volts, so we're going to get the correct generator for it, get that installed. We got a lot of new parts for this tractor, and hopefully this thing is going to be absolutely beautiful when we get it all done. So we're doing early videos, early setups on this. This is a 1950 Allis Chalmers B. I cannot lie, it's in excellent condition. The hood and the grill, which we can't see here, it's out in the lean-to. It's really good for the shape of the tractor. The tank has no major dents, nothing. I mean, normally you'll see a big slap in here, Excellent. Fenders, nice and straight, no rust, no holes. We're probably going to end up with brand new tires, brand new rims on the back. We'll see what the customer ends up. Across the back, I mean, we got a few minor things, but the drawbar, it's bolted on. This is no concern in a restoration. It is on a key switch. We're gonna get rid of this, put it back to the factory foot pedal, start, put all the switches back into the dash panel like you're supposed to be. We got a lot of correcting to do, but this thing is excellent. I mean, the steering, I've not touched the steering in it, and look at the steering play in this tractor. Look at this. What is that, 16th of a turn, maybe? I mean, look at the slot, nothing. Look at the slot, nothing. It's amazing. You can sit here and do this. It's just in the box. This is going to be a good tractor to restore. So I'm going to try to document this tractor the best I can. Try to continue doing videos on it as we go. If there's any questions, please upload them or whatever. This is going to be a first for me. I typically don't do YouTube videos on this kind of thing, but I'm going to upload a video of it running the very first time. It runs like crap, and then I'm going to upload a video of it running a little better, and then this video. So we're going to have 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna try to do videos on this tractor as we go, what we do to it, all that. I'm probably gonna miss things like normal, so but just ask if you have any questions. Like I said, we have, we got our new tune-up spark plug wires and plugs in it. Didn't bother to shut the boots down because we got to pull all this back off, to paint it. We don't want to take a risk of pulling the end out of the spark plug wire for the customer. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, just try to send it, and we'll see what we can come up with.